What are the biggest mistakes new pop-up matcha drink stands make? The biggest mistakes are using poor quality matcha, preparing drinks inconsistently, underpricing, ignoring food safety, and choosing a weak selling location. New stands often buy matcha based only on its bright green color or low price, but good matcha should smell fresh, taste smooth, and have very little bitterness. Ceremonial grade is not always necessary for drinks, so choose a dependable, flavorful matcha made for cafes instead of paying for a label alone. Sift the powder before mixing because tiny clumps can make a drink taste harsh and unpleasant. Use a measured amount of matcha, water, milk, and sweetener every time. Then write the recipe down so every customer gets the same flavor. A useful trick is to mix matcha with a small amount of cool or warm water first, creating a smooth paste before adding the rest of the liquid. Very hot water can make matcha taste bitter, while ice can hide weak flavor without fixing the recipe. Track how many cups each batch makes, because this reveals your true cost for matcha, milk, cups, ice, permits, and payment fees. Test the stand during the same hours as your planned event, since shade, foot traffic, nearby businesses, and waiting time can strongly affect sales. One common mistake is pricing by guessing or copying a competitor, so calculate the full cost of each cup and leave room for profit. Another is offering too many flavors at the start, which slows service and creates wasted ingredients, so begin with a small menu and add choices only after customers request them. Some owners also forget permits, clean water, safe ice storage, allergen information, or temperature control, so contact the local health department before selling. A final mistake is treating a busy location as automatically successful. Watch the crowd for 15 minutes and check whether people can safely stop, see your sign, and pay quickly. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.